Hello bright champs! Welcome to the Kiddies World. आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक exciting grammar topic जो करेगा आपकी English को super strong. So get ready to explore adjectives and comparisons of adjectives. Let's jump into our lesson. Let's see how a simple sentence becomes more interesting with adjectives. Let's look at this sentence. My sister can sing. But here's a question. What if I have more than one sister? Then how will you know which sister I'm talking about? Let's fix that. My younger sister can sing. Now it's clear. We're talking about the younger one, not the older one. What did we do? We added the word younger. It's an adjective, a word that tells us more about a noun. Another example. This pen belongs to me. Sounds okay, right? But wait, what if there are many pens around? How will you know which pen I'm talking about? Let's fix that. This blue pen belongs to me. Now it's clear. We're talking about the blue pen, not the black or red one. What did we do? We added the word blue. It's an adjective. And look at this. Himani is wearing a dress. Sounds fine, right? But is it exciting? Is it special? Let's make it better. Himani is wearing a lovely dress. Now it feels different. We know the dress isn't just any dress. It's lovely. What did we do? We added the word lovely. It's an adjective, a word that tells us more about a noun. Adjectives make our sentences colorful and fun. Adjectives are describing words. We use adjectives to describe nouns. They tell us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. Let's play a quick game with adjectives and their opposites. Word 1. Sad. If someone is sad, what's the opposite? Yes, you got it. Happy. Word 2. Bright. If something is bright, the opposite is? Correct. Dark. Let's try more. Word 3. Clean. If something is clean, the opposite is dirty. Word 4. Small. Opposite of small is large. Word 5. Bad. Opposite of bad is good. Word 6. Wet. Opposite of wet is dry. Word 7. Rich. Opposite of rich is poor. Let's now explore how we turn simple words into adjectives using full and ish. When we add ish to a word, it means a little like or kind of. Let's try a few examples. Girl plus ish equals girlish. This means someone is acting a little like a girl. Pink plus ish equals pinkish. This means the color is kind of pink, but not fully bright pink. Yellow plus ish equals yellowish. That means the color is a little yellow, not dark yellow, just a light yellow feel. When we add full to a word, it means full of something. Let's look at a few fun examples. Color plus full equals colorful. That means something is full of colors, like a rainbow. Delight plus full is delightful. That means something is full of delight or great joy, like a yummy ice cream treat. Help plus full equals helpful. That means full of help, like a friend who shares or supports you. If the word ends with a consonant plus Y, you have to change the Y to I before adding full. Let's look at an example. Beauty plus full equals, we don't say beautiful, we change the Y to I and say beautiful, full of beauty. Now we're going to learn something really interesting, how to compare using adjectives. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at this boy. He says, my brother is tall. Here, the word tall is an adjective. It tells us something about his brother, that he's not short, he's tall. Now let's compare two people, the brother and the father. Which one is taller? The boy says, my father is taller. Did you hear that? He added ER to tall. That's how we compare two people. We say tall, taller. Now the grandfather walks in, and guess what? He's taller than everyone. So the boy says, my grandfather is the tallest of them all. Now we added EST to tall, tallest. That's what we use when we compare more than two. Here's a simple rule. Use ER for two things. Use EST for more than two. And if a word ends with Y, like lovely, we change Y to I before adding ER or EST. So, lovely becomes lovelier. Lovelier becomes loveliest. We use ER and EST with smaller adjectives to make comparisons. For example, warm, warmer, warmest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. We use more and most, or less and least, with bigger words to make comparisons. For example, popular, more popular, most popular. Useful, more useful, most useful. Awesome work, Class 3 champs. आज का लेसन था full of learning और थोड़ी सी मस्ती भी. लाइक जरूर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में मिलता है फन लर्निंग का मैजिक. चलो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सुपर टॉपिक के साथ. बाय बाय बच्चों, पढ़ते रहो, हंसते रहो.